Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back to my channel, Subhasri ma'am. Children, today we will do part 4 of word problems based on linear equation in one variable. Children, I want to explain today what is linear equation in one variable. Okay. You want this? Whoa. Okay, very nice. This is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. That is called linear equation in one variable. Let me take one example then it will be clear to you. That is 3x plus 11 equals to 17. Now see, what is the power of the variable x? See, the power is 1 now. So, this is linear equation in one variable. I am taking another example, that is 3x square plus 11 equals to 17. The power of x is what? 2. No. This is not the linear equation in one variable. Okay. The power of the variable should be 1. Understood? Okay. So happy. Okay. Very good. Now let us start. Okay. That is exercise 9C from R.S. Agrawal textbook of class 7. We are doing sum number 18. 15, 16, 17 we have done, children. I will give the link in description. You can watch it from there. Now what is the question? Let's see. After 32 years, Rahim will be 5 times as old as he was 8 years ago. How old is Rahim today? So first here two statements we have to convert into mathematical form. Number 1, after 32 years what will be Rahim's age, and 8 years ago what was Rahim's age. So first let us assume Rahim's today's age. Okay. So let Rahim's today's age be x years. Now first statement we had to convert into mathematical form. That is, after 32 years Rahim's age will be x plus 32 years. Now next one we will convert into mathematical form. That is, 8 years ago Rahim's age was what? Present age is x. So, x minus 8 years. Clear? Now, children, see, according to the problem, after 32 years, Rahim will be 5 times as old as he was 8 years ago. So, according to the problem, first I told you the trick is that you will first write what is given. That is, after 32 years age. That is x plus 32. This is equals to what? 5 times of Rahim's age of 8 years ago. So, you will write 5 into x minus 8. Clear? This is, both are now equal according to the problem. Now you multiply 5 with x and minus 8. So you will get what? 5x minus 5 8 40 equals to x plus 32. Now simply we will shift the variable x from right side to left side. So sign will also change. Means 5x minus x equals to 32 plus 40, because we have shifted minus 40 from left side to right side. Now simply 5x minus x equals to 4x equals to 32 plus 40 equals to 72. Yeah, now easily all of you can find the value of x. So x equals to 72 divided by 4. If you will divide, then you will get x. The value of x means Rahim's today's age. That is what? 18. So Rahim's today's age is 18 years. I hope all of you understood now. You liked it. So don't forget, press the like button now only. Otherwise you will forget. Okay, it motivates me. So now and we will go do the next one. Oh, you are so happy. So many likes. Very good. Actually, math is fun. Right now? So now, children, okay, go for the next one. Okay, fine. Now you are ready for the next one. Very good. Children, next sum is little different type. So you have to watch carefully and learn properly. Okay. Okay. Sum number 19. Let us see what is the question. A bag contains 25 paise and 50 paise coins whose total value is rupees 30. If the number of 25 paisa coins is 4 times that of 50 paisa coins, find the number of each types of coins. Children, you see two things are here. One is number of coins, another one is the value of coins. If you count, okay, that we will do afterwards. Let us first work on number of coins. Let the number of 50 paisa coin be x. Okay. Now let us find what is the number of 25 paisa coin. So the number of 25 paisa coin is 4 times of 50 paisa coin means 4x. Now, according to the problem, they are saying if you count total 25 paisa and 50 paisa in the bag, the value will be 30 rupees. So, let us write 50x. Okay, you can ask why you are writing, ma'am, 50x? The number is x only. This is because, see, if you take 250 paisa coin, so how many paisa you will get? 100 paisa na. 2 is the numbers. That's why I have written 50x plus 25 paisa coin is 4x. So 25 into 4x equals to 3000 because rupees 30 equals to 3000 paisa. That's why. Now 50 per x plus 25 into 4, that is 100x equals to 3000. Now if you add these to 100 plus 50, that is 150x equals to 3000. Now we will find the value of x. All of you can do, I think, that is 3000 divided by 150. All of you can do easily. Okay, let me do for you. No problem. You see that x equals to, first you write 3000 divided by 150. Now, first we will cancel 110. 10 from 3000 and 10 from 150. This way we will cancel these two 0. Now we will simply say the table of 15. 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30 and 10 is left. So we got what? 20. So the value of x is what? That is x equals to 20. Now easily we can find the number of coins. So number of 50 paisa coin is what? We assumed x and we know the value of x. So 20. So we have 20 50 paisa coin. And number of 25 paisa coin is 4x. So simply multiply 4 into 20. That means 80. Right. All of you understood, I hope. And so you are, you are happy. So many likes you have given. I am very, very happy. And you give your sweet comments, okay? And children, next video, we will do the simplification of algebraic expression. Don't miss it. So today is this much, children, and bye-bye.